Hello guys, we're playing Rainbow Tower. Oh no, she's cheating. Oh, cheating again. Yeah, cheating again. Bruh. Oh no, cheating again, bruh. Cheating, bruh. This is not easy because of cheaters. Bruh. Cheating again. She's cheating. She's cheating. She's not VIP.
Tapos utang pa, hindi na babay.
Oh no, cheating. Cheating. No! Cheating, bro. Thank you, girl. Oh no. This looks like my friend's gaming. Oh, I don't know what happened. So look like this. Oh no, she died. She died earlier. She's cheating. Yeah. Oh no! Reset. No. No. Wait. Oh, cheating again. What's this doing? Cheating. No. Ah. Cheating error report. Let's report. For cheating, guys. For cheating. For cheating. She's cheating again. Oh no, she's liar. Where is she? Don't do that again. I know this one. This one. Haha. You're no. Cheating. Very cheat. She's cheat. Cheating, bruh. She's cheating again, guys. So her name is Zarya. So she is. She's getting karma. That's their fault. Oh no. Don't you get karma, bro? So don't trolling us, so you get karma again. Linga 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 linga. Because guys, she's happy RP. Oh no, it's not easy. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh no. You reset. Bomba clock. Ang bilis sa walay. Don't panic. What you?
Wala nga mapapagpamilyan eh. Pag
Oh. Oh no. Bro. Oh no. No. Pa.